Now let's take a look at IVR menus, also known as interactive voice recordings or auto attendance. Go to Applications, IVR menus, and they'll be displayed on this page. To create a new one, select Add. Give your IVR menu a name, an extension, make sure that this doesn't clash with any of your others. Give your IVR a greeting, usually done in recordings, and then select your options. In this case, we'll do 3 options, and then assign each one a destination. So for option 1, I want it to call extension 74. For option 2, I will assign it to the ring group that we've already recorded. And option 3, I'll give the option to go directly to an absence voicemail message. Once done, select Save. If you want the IVR menu to repeat itself, go to Exit Action and select the IVR again, then select Save. What you may want to happen is for the IVR to cancel and hang up after no one presses anything. If so, scroll down to Hang Up under Dial Plans. You can also set it to go directly to the ring group if no option is pressed, just in case your callers are confused as to where to go.